Good afternoon and thank you for tuning in to a new weather update. I'm meteorologist Chris Snow. We saw partly cloudy skies for much of the morning hours in Grand Junction, and well, take a look at our almanac. High temperatures for the day are still expected to be around 10 degrees colder than our averages. However, they will be a little bit warmer than yesterday. Morning lows were right around our averages, and that was thanks to seeing the cloudier skies overnight, but still, we were freezing this morning, and chillier temperatures will be sticking around. Take a look at weather alerts. Well, compared to yesterday, we did see some expansion on winter weather advisories. Now they're covering I-70 between Glenwood Springs and Vail, and we can expect to see winter weather advisories across most of the state. If you're in the Grand Valley, you are still going to be staying winter weather advisory free. However, you will still see some snow chances in the Grand Valley, especially if you're down further south, close towards Montrose, whereas Grand Junction can still expect to see around a dusting of snow throughout the day today. And we're seeing winter weather advisories, of course, extend over towards the front range. Take a look at the futurecast. Well, we saw mostly lighter showers for the morning, but we will start to see some heavier snow showers in those areas of darker blue. Stay mostly over higher elevations close towards the divide. However, we will still see the potential for them to drift into the valleys throughout the afternoon hours. Once we start looking overnight, we will see mostly just a few spotty lighter showers over the mountaintops. And if you're in the valleys, you can expect to see drier weather through the overnight hours. And we will see skies clear up once we start looking at Thursday afternoon, thanks to high pressure moving into the western slope. Take a look at state temperatures. Well, Grand Junction is actually one of the warmer spots in Colorado for the day. Expect to see high temperatures around 46 degrees. However, Montrose will be capping out with highs in the 30s, and we will see 20s over those higher elevations close towards the divide. As we start moving forward towards tomorrow morning, though, morning lows are expected to be much colder as we will be dipping back into the lower 20s for the Grand Valley. And we will be seeing single digits in Gunnison. If you look northward towards Craig, they're expecting to see sub-zero morning lows for tomorrow. And as we look to around this time tomorrow, we can expect to see temperatures around the mid-30s for Grand Junction. In fact, Thursday will be the coldest high of the week, with the coldest morning moving in for Friday. And as we take a regional look at what's going on, this is the cold front that's driving all those showers that we saw so far today, as well as what we will be seeing for the rest of the day. That will be moving southward, and meaning we will see some cold and northerly winds moving behind it, which will actually dry us up once we look through the day on Thursday. This high pressure system will just be moving closer and closer towards the western slope throughout the course of the day on Friday. And once we start looking at the ends of the day on Friday, we'll start to see an upper level ridge bow out into the western slope, and it's because of that ridge we'll actually see temperatures warm up rather quickly once we start looking at the weekends. However, chilly temperatures will be the theme for the work week. Take a look at our snowfall projections. We can still expect to see a total of around 6 to 8 inches of snow over those higher elevations and the central parts of the divide. If you're over in Grand Junction, you can range from seeing 0 inches of snow to around 2 inches. And if you're over towards Montrose, you're looking at more snow totals around 2 to 4 inches for the day. And once we start looking at the ends of the day on Thursday, you'll be done. We will be staying dry for the remainder of the week after Thursday afternoon. Take a look at the extended forecast. It's around a 60% chance for those scattered, mostly mixed precipitation showers for Grand Junction. Once we start looking at the later parts of the afternoon, as we start moving to the morning hours on Thursday, we'll see them drop all the way down to a 20% chance for lighter snow showers. Thursday afternoon comes, skies will clear up. We will see clear skies for Friday, but clear skies overnight will mean morning lows for Friday will be near our records, as they'll be down in the lower end of the teens in Grand Junction. And as we take a look at the weekend, overall temperatures expected to quickly warm up, as we'll be back in the lower 50s in Grand Junction by Saturday, and we'll even potentially see some 60s for parts of the Grand Valley once we start looking at Tuesday of next week. Over in Montrose, it's mostly the same story with overall cooler temperatures. You'll also see higher chances for those scattered showers. You're looking around a 70% chance for some snow showers all throughout the afternoon, and they'll actually continue a little bit longer for the evening hours. You're looking at a 50% chance for morning snow showers for tomorrow, with afternoon highs dropping down to below freezing and near freezing for Friday. Once we start looking at the weekend, though, that upper level ridge will cause us to quickly warm back up. And as I said before, we'll be in the 50s by the end of the weekend and possibly the lower 60s for Tuesday of next week.